to upload our finished video to YouTube, what you're going to do is log into nhstechhead@gmail.com, go to the upload button in the top right, and then we're going to navigate from there to our season to our finished video folder. When you double click on it, it's going to bring up the details of here. We're going to have, this one is a special report. If I hold shift and do the backslash, that's how you get that little line thing. It's going to be special report or whatever the segment, then the name. This is important. The description right here is going to come from the actual script right here, and that's going to be copied and pasted into for the description. Why does that matter? It's because this is for search engine optimization. It also allows us to look for it easier. Going to go down, you can put it into special reports playlist or whatever playlist it is. It's not made for kids. Next, 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 and then public.